Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 67. This essential document allows resident Indian taxpayers to claim a foreign tax credit for taxes paid on income earned abroad. By understanding and correctly filing Form 67, you can avoid the burden of double taxation, ensuring you receive credit for taxes already paid in another country. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Filing Form 67 requires careful attention to deadlines. You must submit it before the due date for your income tax return. The entire process is completed online through the official e-filing portal of the Income Tax Department. Remember to verify your submission using either a digital signature certificate or an electronic verification code to ensure it's officially recorded. To successfully file Form 67, you'll need to gather specific information. This includes comprehensive details about your foreign income, such as its nature and the amount earned. Crucially, you must also provide clear proof of the taxes you've already paid in the foreign country. Ensure all required supporting documents are ready for attachment to facilitate a smooth claim process. Properly filing Form 67 is vital for maximizing your foreign tax credit and avoiding double taxation. This credit can significantly reduce your overall tax liability in India. Always ensure accuracy in your details and adhere to filing deadlines. For intricate foreign income scenarios, or if you have questions, consider consulting a tax professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.